and the Dove.
Thanks for helping, dear. Here are some chocolates for you.
You see, Mintu? One good deed deserves another.
Yes, true.
Just like what happened in the story of the ant and the dove.
One bright day in the woods, a thirsty tiny ant walked up to a pond in search of some water. As it bent down on the edge of the pond to drink some water, a sudden and strong ripple on the surface of the water gushed away the ant far away into middle of the pond. The ant struggled to survive and cried out for help.
Help! Someone help me! I am drowning!
Just then, a dove, perched on a nearby tree overhanging the pond, saw the ant struggling for its life. Taking pity on the ant, the dove plucked and dropped some leaves near the drowning ant. The ant quickly grabbed and climbed onto one of the leaves and was lucky to reach safely to the edge of the pond.
Thank God I'm alive!
The grateful ant thought of thanking the kind dove and started to walk towards the dove, still perched on the nearby tree. As it took few steps, it spotted a hunter, preparing to aim at the unwary dove in the tree. With no time wasted, the ant climbed up the ankle of the hunter and bit him hard. The hunter cried out with sudden pain.
Ouch! What was that?
Just as the ant had thought, the hunter's shout had put the dove on alert, and it swiftly flew away from the hunter to safety. Just as the kind dove had saved the ant's life, in turn, the grateful ant saved the dove's life from the hunter. So, one good deed deserves another.
Now, do a good deed by sharing those chocolates with me.